Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all for our social studies online class. In the previous period, we learned what is civics and why do we have rules. Today, we are going to start our next point, being a responsible citizen. We can be responsible citizens if we carry out the duties and rights laid down by the Constitution of India. So, firstly, we learn about our fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights which are written in the Constitution of India. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. Fundamental duties. As the citizens of India, we all enjoy certain fundamental rights. But along with this, we also have certain duties towards our motherland. These are called fundamental duties. Some of these duties mentioned in the Constitution are respect the national flag, national anthem, and the national symbols. Respect the Constitution of India. Value the heritage and protect the culture of India. Protect the environment and public property. Be proud of our country. Be patriotic and help our country to be united. Assist in the defense of our country and protect our country in times of danger. Promote brotherhood and treat all citizens equally. So, being a responsible citizen, we must participate in elections. In a democratic country, the government is elected by the people during elections. It is the duty of each citizen who is 18 years old or above to cast his or her vote to elect a government. The government provides us with a number of facilities, number of services to make our life more comfortable, like hospitals, government schools, transport, buses, trains, post offices, parks, road, street lights, etc. It is our duty as a good citizen to help the government carry out its work and safeguard the services provided to us. The services are provided by the government from the money that it collects as a taxes from us. So it's a duty of each and every citizen of India to pay taxes on time. An important duty of every citizen is to pay taxes. Okay. Besides paying taxes, one of our important duties is to take care of public property like train, okay, like buses, gardens. Public property also include our heritage and cultural sites. All the historical monuments are a part of our heritage. It is our duty as a citizens to preserve it. India is a large country with a people of a different communities living together. It is our social behavior with our neighbors and the community which reflects the unity in our diversity. Good social behavior also makes us good citizens of our country and the world. Things to remember: fundamental rights, fundamental duties, participate in elections, pay taxes, take care public property and cultural heritage sites. Thank you.